Arwakini machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Jopuonjre 4.7 mag sikul nyiri ma utumishi manoyudo hinyruok e kinde masira mar mach e skulno koro we thuolo kendo odhi pacho. Jopuonjrego osebedo ka yudo thieth makare e kar thieth ma Kenyatta e buore Nairobi kuom thuolo ma juma achiel. Nyaka sani, achije 9 ma bende gin jopuonjre skulno odinnegi kuom ndalo 21 tok doho chiwo chik ma kamano kaka yor chiwo thuolo makare ne obila tieko timo nonro. Nochwalgi e doho ma Naivasha e kaunti ma Nakuru.
I have come to visit our children who unfortunately witnessed a very disturbing in the school at Utumishi Academy. They are lucky to have come out alive. They have scars. I know the scars will be reminding them of that day, the horrible day. But it's my prayer as a parent that they heal, and thank God that they are alive to continue chasing their dream.
I want to encourage and appreciate every one of us who has been with these kids, who have walked the journey with them. They have given them support, they have given them both moral, physical, psychological support, and the treatment that they have gotten, we believe, is going to enable them to continue their daily lives. We want to also appreciate the government and the institutions who have been able to serve them, the nurses, the doctors who have been able to treat the children. We appreciate them for the good work they have done, that they have been able to come out strongly, and we believe that as they do follow up, as they continue their life, they are going to be better, and we hope for the best in their lives.
Yakuramogi koro wadhi ane achiel kachiel mondo winja network